What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about the Verizon Router DHCP Conflict Fixed IP Reassignment. Step number 1. Access the router at 192.168.1.1 using your web browser. Step number 2. Go to Settings, then go to LAN Setup. Step number 3. Change the router IP address to a unique value, for example 192.168.2.1. Step number 4. Adjust DHCP range to match the new IP network. Step number 5. Save and reboot router to apply the changes. And step number 6. Verify all devices are reconnected with the new IP range. And that's it. Thanks for watching.